Healthy breakfast ideas vegetarian. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates on health and fitness goals. Here are some healthy vegetarian breakfast ideas. Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with fresh fruits like berries, granola, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for a protein-packed and delicious parfait. Smoothie bowl. Blend together your favorite fruits, vegetables, and a plant-based protein source like tofu or pea protein. Top it with nuts, seeds, and granola for added crunch. Avocado toast. Spread mashed avocado on whole grain toast and top with sliced tomatoes, a sprinkle of chia seeds, and a dash of salt and pepper. Chia seed pudding. Mix chia seeds with plant-based milk, almond, coconut, or soy and let it sit overnight. In the morning, top it with fresh fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. Vegan banana pancakes. Make pancakes using mashed bananas, oats, and almond milk. Serve with fresh berries or a dollop of nut butter. Vegetable omelette. Whisk chickpea flour basin with water and add diced vegetables like bell peppers, onions, and tomatoes. Cook like a pancake on a griddle. Quinoa breakfast bowl. Cook quinoa and top it with sautéed spinach, cherry tomatoes, avocado slices, and a sprinkle of nutritional yeast for a savory breakfast bowl. Muesli with almond milk. Combine muesli with almond milk and let it sit for a few minutes. Top it with fresh fruits, nuts, and seeds for a nutritious breakfast. Vegetarian breakfast burrito. Fill a whole grain tortilla with scrambled tofu or eggs, black beans, sautéed vegetables, and salsa. Roll it up for a hearty breakfast. Cottage cheese and fruit bowl. Combine cottage cheese with fresh fruits like pineapple, mango, and berries. Sprinkle with chopped mint for a refreshing start. Spinach and feta frittata. Whisk together eggs with sautéed spinach, cherry tomatoes, and feta cheese. Bake until set for a protein-rich breakfast. Remember to focus on incorporating a mix of whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and plant-based proteins for a well-rounded and nutritious vegetarian breakfast. Adjust portion sizes according to your energy needs and preferences. If you're getting any value out of the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Let's continue.